straight line for the below scenarios. So formula of a straight line is y is mx plus c. Okay, where m is your gradient, c is your y-intercept. Part A says there's a line, I'll write this in black. A line has a gradient of 2 and a y-intercept of negative 6. So if I was to write this equation, all I need to know is that general formula at the top in red there. So the answer to part A will basically be y equals, gradient is 2. So where I have 2, I put m. Where I have m, I put 2. Leave the x there. So 2x. My y-intercept is 6. Negative 6. So negative 6 is my c. So in this case, my m was 2 and my c was negative 6. So that's my equation of the line there. Any questions with that? Part B says you have a negative gradient of 4. So gradient is negative 4. Y-intercept is 8. So when I'm writing this equation, you know your m is going to be negative 4 and your y-intercept is going to be positive 8. So your equation is going to be y equals m is negative 4, x, my y-intercept is plus 8, and that's your equation. All you need to do is substitute. Okay? Part C, gradient is 0. Now this is the one I've not gone through. When gradient is 0, y-intercept is 10. So what would my equation be? Through y equals mx plus c.
0x times 10, just x.
So y is 0 times x, or 0x plus 10. 0 times x is 0. Good work. So y equals 10. That's just the equation. Y equals 10. Alright, because my gradient was 0 and my y-intercept was 10. Any questions with that one? I expect no one to get this wrong in the exam. Part D. Gradient is 8. And my y-intercept is the point of origin. Point of origin is 0, 0. The point of origin basically is that point on the graph there where it begins, 0, 0. Okay? So, my y-intercept will be 0. So, y equals m is your 8 gradient. Your c is 0. So, 8x plus 0. And y equals 8x is your equation. Any questions with that? So the answers are I'm going to highlight them there in pink. That's your answer for the D, for C, for B, and for A. All right?